Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone trying to stay organized, Otter AI is a game changer when it comes to taking meeting notes, transcribing conversations, and keeping track of important details. If you've ever gotten stuck trying to remember what was said in a meeting or sifting through notes that don't make much sense, this is going to make your life so much easier. Let's jump right into it. Getting started with Otter AI is as simple as it gets, and I want to walk you through every single step. No stress. First, head over to otter.ai in your browser. You'll land on the homepage, and right there in front of you will be a big Start for Free button. Click that, and it will take you to a page where you can sign up. Now, here's the cool thing. You can sign up for free, and trust me, the free version already has a ton of features that are super helpful. But if you're curious about even more advanced tools and options, you can try out their 7-day free trial for the business plan, which unlocks a lot more powerful features. This is a fantastic way to see if you're really going to use Otter regularly before committing to any paid plan. When it's time to sign up, you have a couple of options. You can either sign up using your email address or, like I do, sign up using your Google account or Microsoft account. For me, using my Google account is just the fastest, and it saves a few extra clicks. Either way, it's super easy, and you'll be logged in within seconds. Alright, so once you're in, you're going to land on the Otter AI dashboard. At first glance, it might look a bit overwhelming, but it's actually really easy to navigate once you get the hang of it. You'll see a few different sections on the left side, including Home, AI Chat. These are the main areas you'll be working with, and over time, they'll make a lot of sense. First up is Home, where you'll get an overview of everything going on. You'll see your calendar, upcoming meetings, and any meetings or conversations that have been scheduled or imported into Otter. This is where you'll spend a lot of your time checking what's coming up next and seeing your tasks and action items, all linked to the meetings. But if you really want to get into the heart of Otter's features, you'll want to explore the AI chat. Here's the magic. After your meeting has been transcribed, you can literally ask Otter questions about what was discussed in that meeting. It's not just about reading through the transcript or skimming it, it's about engaging with the content directly. Let's say you have a huge meeting with a lot of details. Instead of wasting time scrolling through the whole transcript, you can simply ask Otter, "What decisions did we make regarding the marketing budget?" And it will pull the relevant information out for you. How cool is that? This is your personal meeting history and everything that's been transcribed and recorded so far. It's pretty much like your meeting library. Now, let's talk about how to record meetings with Otter AI. There are actually a couple of ways to get content into the system. The most straightforward way is to record live meetings. This means you're attending a meeting, and you simply click Start Recording in Otter. While the meeting is happening, Otter will transcribe everything in real time. This includes recognizing who's speaking and breaking down the conversation accordingly. It's basically like having a personal note-taker who's getting every word down. This is one of the reasons why I love it so much, especially for those meetings where it feels like a ton of information is being thrown at you, and it's impossible to take accurate notes fast enough. But say you've missed a live meeting, or maybe you recorded a Zoom call or another kind of audio meeting. No worries, Otter lets you import recordings as well. Just click on the Import button, upload your file, and Otter will transcribe it for you. I can't tell you how much time this feature saves me. There's no need to manually transcribe long meetings or spend hours typing everything out. With just a few clicks, Otter does it for you. It's super simple and really effective, especially if you're working with past meetings you need to catch up on. Once the meeting's been transcribed, it's time to dive into the content. Otter does more than just give you a word-for-word transcription. It also automatically creates a summary of the meeting. This summary helps you quickly figure out what was covered, what decisions were made, and what needs follow-up. So instead of sifting through pages and pages of text, you get a concise summary that lets you get the high-level details immediately. If I have a bunch of meetings lined up and I need to catch up quickly on one of them, I don't have to read through everything. I can just check the summary and move on. But that's not all. Otter also takes it a step further by identifying key action items during the meeting. For instance, if someone says, "I'll send out the project proposal by Friday," Otter automatically flags that as a task to be reviewed later. This feature ensures that every important responsibility or follow-up item is highlighted for you, so nothing gets lost in the shuffle. It's like having a personal assistant who listens closely to the meeting, categorizes tasks, and organizes them for easy follow-up. With Otter, you can focus more on the discussion and less on jotting down notes or remembering every action point. It's a powerful tool for ensuring accountability and making sure tasks are tracked and completed efficiently. Now, here's where it gets really cool: AI chat. This is where Otter starts to shine in terms of its intelligence. After your meeting is transcribed, you can ask Otter anything about it. Let's say you're curious about what was said about the budget during the meeting. Instead of scrolling through the transcript or summary, you can just ask Otter directly, "What did we say about the budget?" And Otter will find that information for you and present it in a way that's easy to digest. It's like having an assistant who remembers everything you've ever discussed. This search feature works across all of your conversations. If you're working on multiple projects or have tons of past meetings, you can search across all of them, and Otter will pull up the information you need. I've used this so many times when I'm in a rush or trying to find specific information about a previous discussion. It just saves me so much time. One of the coolest parts of Otter AI is how you can organize your content, which becomes especially valuable when working with a team. This feature is a total game changer for collaboration and project management. Otter allows you to create channels for different projects, departments, or topics. For example, if you're overseeing both sales and marketing teams, you can create a dedicated sales channel and a separate marketing channel to keep everything neatly organized and easy to navigate. This ensures that, as you transcribe meetings, all content stays aligned with the appropriate team or subject matter, making it simple to locate relevant discussions later on. Within each channel, you can upload and store meeting notes, documents, and even specific action items. This way, everything related to a particular project or team is easily accessible in one place. The added bonus? You can send direct messages to teammates within the platform to quickly address any follow-up items or questions, keeping the workflow efficient and clear. This eliminates the need to sift through endless emails or chat threads, centralizing communication. Whether you're working on one project or juggling multiple, Otter helps you keep all your tasks and conversations organized, ensuring everyone stays on the same page, no matter how many initiatives you're managing at once. Here's another thing I love about Otter. It integrates with a ton of tools you might already be using, making your workflow even smoother. For instance, Otter seamlessly connects with Zoom, so you can record your Zoom calls directly into Otter and have them transcribed instantly. But that's not all. It also integrates with Slack, Salesforce, Google Calendar, and HubSpot, to name just a few. If you're already using these platforms, you can sync them all with Otter and have everything connected, ensuring that you stay organized and never miss a beat. Let's say you schedule a meeting on Google Calendar. Otter syncs with your calendar, so it automatically reminds you about the meeting ahead of time. Then, once the meeting wraps up, Otter sends you the transcription, a summary, and any identified action items straight into your Otter dashboard. This automation takes care of all the tedious organization, so you don't have to worry about managing meeting notes or tracking follow-ups manually. Everything is handled for you, allowing you to focus on what matters most, whether that's engaging with your team or making key decisions. Otter helps streamline your entire process, making it easier to manage meetings, tasks, and communications all in one place. When it comes to sharing your work or keeping records, Otter makes it incredibly simple. You can export your transcriptions in a variety of formats, including PDFs, text files, or even audio files. Let's say you want to share the meeting notes with your team or send them to a client. Instead of the hassle of manually copying and pasting everything, you can just export the file and send it off. This makes the entire process of distributing meeting notes or other important documents quick, easy, and super convenient, especially for anyone working in teams or collaborating with clients. Plus, Otter makes reviewing your meetings even more flexible. If you're someone who likes to listen to the meeting again or need to go over specific parts, you can play back the audio of the meeting directly from Otter. You don't need to open a separate audio player or search through a bunch of files. Everything is right there in your Otter account. This feature is perfect for revisiting key moments or picking up on details you might have missed during the meeting. Whether you prefer reading the transcription or listening to the audio, Otter gives you the flexibility to choose the method that works best for you, making it an invaluable tool for anyone who needs to stay organized and on top of their tasks. By now, you might be wondering about pricing. As I mentioned, Otter offers a free plan, which includes 300 transcription minutes per month. This is great if you're using it for personal or occasional use. But if you're using Otter regularly or for work, you might want to consider one of the paid plans. The Pro plan costs around $8.33 per month, and it unlocks more transcription minutes, advanced export options, and additional features like advanced search. But if you're part of a team or a business, the business plan starts at $20 per user per month. This plan includes a whopping 6,000 transcription minutes per month, more integrations, and better tools for team collaboration.